Hello children, how are you? Hope you'll be fine. Welcome to my channel Anuradha Online Classes. Please subscribe it and press the bell icon. Just now I'm going to start you with the very first chapter of class 7, that is knowing our numbers, integers. Integer on number line. Firstly I'll tell you about the integers on number line. I think you have done this in class 6 also. But in class 7th, you will do more further about it. Now listen. This is 0, right? Right hand side of 0 is positive. Is it clear to you? And left side is negative. Okay? Now see. 0. Here it is 1, here it is 2, here it is 3. The most important thing is the distance between these numbers will exactly be same. See, now what is less than 0? Less than 0 is what? Minus 1. Then minus 2. Then minus 3 and so on. Now, if the question is, you have to show minus 2, then 4 and 1 on number line. So how will you show it? See, minus 2. Where is minus 2? 0, 1 and 2. Minus 2. Here is minus 2. This one. Then 4. 0, 1, 2, 3 and here it is 4. Okay. Here it is 4. You have to round it so that you can represent it on number line. Represent it will be like this. Now, one more thing. There is 1. 1 is also here. You have to represent it on number line. If it is given like this, you can do this in the same number line. Okay. Now, one more thing I just want to tell you, that greater or let me do it more easier way. If I'll say you have to compare minus 2 and 1. Yes, compare the number, that means which is greater and which is smaller. See, this is 0, right to it is positive and left to it is what? Negative. Right? Positive number is always what? Greater. Then what? Negative number. Okay? And one more important thing, the very important thing is, whichever number is on the right, that will be greater. Suppose 1 and 2, which is greater? 2 is greater. Okay. Now come to the negative side. Here I have written, you have to compare these two. Minus 2 and minus 4. Then minus 2 and 0. Let's see on the number line. Minus 2 and minus 4. Where is minus 4? It's not done here. Minus 2, minus 3, then minus 4. So, minus 2 and minus 4. Which is to the right?
Minus 2.
4 and minus 2. Which is to the right? Minus 2 is to the right. So, minus 4, minus 2. Here, minus 2 is okay. Then come to the next. Minus 2 and 0. Now see minus 2 and 0. You have to see minus 2 and 0. Which is to the right? To the right is what? 0. So minus 2 and 0. Which is to the right? There is a 0. Yes, very nice. One more important thing is what? This is clear to you? Okay. Now one more thing. If I I have written minus 100. Okay. And 0. Now tell me which is greater. Which is greater? Okay, my son is standing over here. He wants to tell. Okay. Tell me. There only. Just tell the answer.
0.
0. Yes, it is absolutely correct. 0. Minus 100 will be where? It will be left hand side of 0. So left hand side of 0, that means this is less. This is to the right, that means this is what? Greater. Yes. This is greater. So always keep in mind this concept that whichever is to your right, that will be greater. And if one more, see, minus 100 and minus 1, you have to compare it. So to the very right of this minus 100 is what? It will be minus 1. So minus 1 is greater than minus 100. Okay. This point is clear to you? Okay. Now, let me come on. So number line is, I think, it must be clear to you. If you are having any problem, just write it down. And I will tell you this in the next video.
In the comment.
Okay, now come to the operations. This is the most important that topic in this chapter. And many of the students are having problem in this operations. Operations, you know what is the meaning of operations? In mathematics, what does it mean? Operations means, yes, actually maths totally depends on what? BODMAS. Okay, but we are not going through these two just now. We will go through these 4 operations. Okay, that will do with the integer. Operation of integer, number 1 is what? Addition. What? Addition. Suppose I have taken one number, one pair of number, that is 2 and minus 3. You have to add this. So how you do it? See, firstly we'll write 2. I always tell my students that put integers, whether it is positive or negative, put it in brackets. Okay? So plus 2 plus, we have to do addition. So we put over here plus. What we have to add? That is minus 3. What? Minus 3. Now here it will be, now remove the bracket, it will be 2. Then plus minus is what? This rule you have to keep in mind. Yes, this is most important thing. Plus into minus is minus. Plus into minus is equal to minus. Plus into plus is equal to plus. Minus into plus is equal to minus. Minus into minus equals to plus. Okay? Is it clear to you? Yes. We have to follow all these rules. These are the rules. You have to follow all these rules. Now see. 2 minus 3. Will 3 go from 2? No. So which number is greater? See, which number is greater? 3 or 2? Which number is greater? 3 is greater. Before it, which sign is there? Minus. So what you will put here? You have to put the sign of greater number. What? Sign of greater number. So sign of greater number we put. But operation, what we have to do? See, plus minus. Plus minus is what we have to do? Minus. We have to do minus. But sign also we have taken off minus. Why? Because the number, greater number in 2 and 3 is what? Minus. Okay. So 3 minus 2 is what? 1. Is it clear to you? Then now take one more number. That is, suppose we have taken what? Both the negative numbers we have taken, minus 3, minus 3. Okay. See. Bracket, I told you. Minus 3 plus minus 3. This is equal to minus 3 plus minus what? Plus minus is minus. Clear? This is equal to minus minus. See, minus minus what we have to do? We have to do plus. We will do plus. Okay. Now sign. Which sign we will take? Here the both numbers are equal. Then also if minus sign is there, we have to take minus. So it will be minus. Sign will be minus. But operation, what we have to do with it? We have to do with it what? Plus. So 3 plus 3 is what? 6. Yes, this is the answer. Okay, this is clear to you, I think. Okay, you have to try some more sums. Just try more and more sums. Then whatever problems will be there, you just write it down. I'll tell you everything in my next video. Okay, now one more operation I just tell you today. That is subtraction. Subtraction. Now see, we have taken again one number. I have taken minus 1 and minus 2. Okay, both negative integers we have taken. So, as I told you earlier, you have to put it in bracket. Minus 1, okay, and minus 2. Okay. Then this is minus 1, minus. See, minus, what is there? Minus is plus. So, plus and 2, right? Now see, plus minus, what we have to do? Plus minus. We have to do minus. But sign. See the sign. Which number is greater? Yes. This is 2. Before 2, which sign is there? This is plus sign. So we have to put plus sign. It's not required to put plus sign as it is understood. See, 2 minus 1 is what? 1. So answer is what? 1. So you just try more and more sums. If you let me tell you one more example, then I just wind it up. See, one more. Let us take one negative and one positive integer, like minus 2 and plus 4. Okay, so it will be minus 2 minus 4. One more thing, in subtraction many kids are having problem. So sometimes it is written like this. Let me take another one. It is written like this: minus 2, subtract minus 2 from 3. Suppose. So from this means which number you have to write first? It is 3. Clear? 3 minus 2. Okay. So this is 3 minus is plus, and here it is 2. 3 plus 2 is what? 5. Now some of you are thinking that it is subtraction and you are doing addition. Yes. In integers we have to go through these rules and we have to follow that rules. Then we have to do the operations with it. Okay. Okay children. Thank you and have a nice day. Please subscribe my channel Anuradha Online Classes and press the bell icon. I'll be with you